Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DHgate how to get refund. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To get a refund on DHgate, you'll need to go through the dispute and resolution process. To do it, first head over and open up your DHgate app, and then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account with your DHgate credentials. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside your account settings, you'll find the orders tab, and right beside it you'll find the view all option. Simply tap on that. Now under my orders, simply select all if you haven't, then all your orders will be listed right in front of you. Then what you need to do is find the order in question and check it, if it has been delivered or it is still in transit or the seller has cancelled the order. Now in order to open a dispute, simply tap on the selected order, and then you'll find an option that says open dispute. Tap on that, and then what you need to do is choose your reasons like item not received, item not described, and so on. Then upload any supporting evidence like photos, tracking screenshot, etc. Then request a full or partial refund depending on the situation. Then lastly, wait for the seller's response, and then once approved, refunds are typically processed within 5 to 10 business days for PayPal or card payments. Timing may vary on your bank or payment provider. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.